Q8075. Which fiber-to-resin % ratio for advanced composite wet layups is generally considered the best for strength? A. 40:60. B. 50:50. C. 60:40. The correct answer is C. For advanced composite wet layups, a fiber-to-resin ratio of 60:40 is generally considered the best for strength. This ratio means that the composite consists of 60% fiber content and 40% resin content by weight. A higher percentage of fiber provides increased strength and stiffness to the composite structure. Q8076. What is the material layer within the vacuum bag pressure system to absorb excess resin during curing called? A. Bleeder. B. Breather. C. Release. The correct answer is A. The material layer within the vacuum bag pressure system to absorb excess resin during curing is called the bleeder. The bleeder material is porous and allows excess resin to flow out of the laminate under the applied pressure, helping to prevent resin pooling and achieve proper resin content in the cured composite. Q8077. Proper Prepreg composite layup curing is generally accomplished by A. Adding a catalyst or curing agent to the resin. B. Applying external heat and pressure. C. Room temperature and applying pressure. The correct answer is B. Proper Prepreg composite layup curing is generally accomplished by applying external heat and pressure. Prepreg materials are pre-impregnated with resin and require a curing process to transform the resin from its uncured state to a solid, cured state. Applying external heat and pressure helps to activate the resin and facilitate the curing process. Q8078. When repairing large, flat surfaces with polyester resins, warping of the surface is likely to occur. One method of reducing the amount of warpage is to A. Add an extra amount of catalyst to the resin. B. Use short strips of fiberglass in the bonded repair. C. Use less catalyst than normal so the repair will be more flexible. The correct answer is B. When repairing large, flat surfaces with polyester resins, warping of the surface is likely to occur. One method of reducing the amount of warpage is to use short strips of fiberglass in the bonded repair. Adding additional reinforcement in the form of short fiberglass strips helps distribute the stress and minimize warping during the curing process. Q8079. When making repairs to fiberglass, cleaning of the area to be repaired is essential for a good bond. The final cleaning should be made using A. MEK, methyl ethyl ketone. B. Soap, water, and a scrub brush. C. Thixotropic agent. The correct answer is A. The final cleaning should be made using MEK, methyl ethyl ketone. MEK is a strong solvent that will remove any dirt, grease, or oil from the surface of the fiberglass. This will ensure that the new resin will bond properly to the fiberglass.